So let me start by talking with you guys about the concept of how it is that you are going to be training. I'm going to come straight out and say it, and then I'll talk about it more after. But the concept is strength and quickness equals explosiveness. So you're going to be keeping this in the back of your head through every exercise that you do on this program. Every workout that you do, you want to be thinking, I want to explode. You want to be exploding up. And a lot of people, this is where they go wrong when trying to train hard. They could be doing the same exercises as you are, but if they're not training the right way, then they're not going to have the same results that you do. A lot of people, they'll be doing jumps, and they'll be jumping 50% of their height. So they'll be jumping like a foot off the ground, and they'll do it like 50 times. And they'll feel a burn, and they'll feel like they get stronger, and they will be getting stronger. But all they're doing is they're training to jump a foot off the ground 50 times, where we want to be training to jump as high as you can just one time. And that's where explosiveness comes in. You're not training your fatigue, you're training your max. It's not endurance, it's your max that you're training. This is what I want you guys to keep in mind through every single exercise that you do. You want to explode. Instead of just doing your squat normally, I want you to explode up as fast as you can, like you're jumping out of the gym. And as soon as you feel that fatigue come into your workouts, you stop. You're not training your fatigue, you're training your max. I'll explain it a lot more. It'll make a lot more sense when I start talking about individual specific workouts and techniques to how to train this explosiveness. But just keep in mind, through every workout, strength and quickness is explosiveness.